if you didn't know, on your board you actually have a status out indicator. And what that does is between status and the on pin 4 and pin 6, that gives you 24 volts out. What I'm doing is I take the status out and I run it into a little powered down converter here. That powered down converter then sets it out to a little 4 volts, which I then run through a quick resistor, and it's going into an Arduino. Now that Arduino is controlling this relay board. That relay board is got 3 relays on it being used, and it's running my stack lights. And it's got a red light, a green light, and a little piezo buzzer inside, which is broken right now. It'll be able to run off the internal power supply, so this is just me doing my test configs and running all the code and stuff. Now, what's interesting about this is that while I'm running the job, the status goes high and sends out 24 volts. So you'll see that literally power on. That will turn that light red. And then once the job's finished, it goes low and it turns on the green light, but it will flash the green light 3 times as well as the buzzer 3 times to let me know. That way I'm not having to stand over the machine and stare down while it's working. So let's go ahead and start a job. And you see it went red and it's running away. You can see it's got the 4 volts coming out there, firing off the Arduino, and there's the relays going. Now watch this. If I hit the reset button like we're canceling a job, it will say, oh, the job's complete. It runs it all, fires it all off, and then stays green. And then it's ready for the next job. I can even come down here, hit restart on it, and it goes red again. Now, I technically don't have to have the Arduino or any of that power stuff. I can actually run 24 volt status indicator red light on top of it, a single stack. I just wanted to have the beep and the green flashy and let me know that the job is not running at that time. It's a good way for me to know if I'm working or not.